What's up, guys? It's your boy Kwame. If you've been following my page for a little bit, you know that I kind of post videos of me screen printing and things like that. But I'm thinking about changing how I do content. I kind of want to stay away from just the how-tos. I think I want to do more of like reflective kind of videos like this. And we can start with this being my first video of more than a screen printer reflections. Screen printing wasn't a tough thing for me to get into, but it took a lot of time and practice and patience, and I really learned about myself in the process of building my business and my brand and things like that. I don't think I have like a super popular brand, you know, it's known amongst my friends and family and things like that, but it's something that I take a lot of pride in. Spent a lot of money on the supplies that I was buying and things like that. But I started screen printing because I kind of needed a hobby, you know, post-COVID and everything like that. I was living in my own apartment in Newark because I'm from Jersey. And when I was in my apartment, you know, I started buying a bunch of things, and screen printing was very challenging because it really tested my patience on what I'm willing to spend money on, and, you know, whether it was just a hobby or not, because it gets very expensive. So it took a while. I found inspiration in the things that I saw every day, like, you know, nature and a lot of like Instagram pages of like your favorite celebrities and the things that they wore and things like that. And, you know, you go into stores and you see, you know, clothes that you might buy, graphic tees from like the 90s and things like that. And you think to yourself like, damn, I could kind of make that. And I don't really think that's too hard to make. So I started like that, and I started using vinyl, like most people who get into crafts and things like that. I started using vinyl, but the vinyl is very tedious. It's a lot of peeling. It's a lot of waste. So I was like, there's got to be a better way. And then I found a guy named Brema on YouTube, and I started watching Brema. His brand is Unfinished Legacy, and I got a lot of inspiration from that. But right now, I don't think I can do the storefront thing just yet. I think I'm still learning screen printing and different ways to be creative and ways not to just be like everybody else. I kind of want to have my own style and things like that, and I kind of want to build my brand my way. So I think one of the hardest parts about doing that is not focus on the money, because it gets really expensive. It does. So, you know, I'm trying to find the ways to find ink that's not too costly. So I use FN ink and things like that, which has been working for me. But, you know, like I said, you know, this has been a journey for me. And like I said, I'm going to make more videos like this, documenting my journey. It's not going to just be a bunch of how-to videos on how I made a hoodie or things like that. I'm also getting into sewing, which has been pretty challenging as well. I think the sewing part is more challenging than actually screen printing and things like that. So, you know, we're going to go, and I'm going to document my process, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in, and you guys are going to start seeing more content like this moving forward. So hope you guys stay tuned. Peace.